Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Hi, I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 bold makeup looks that I probably wouldn't try if I hadn't been stuck at home. The first look that I'm going to be sharing with you today is really bright lashes with color-coordinated super bright eyeliner. I'm using a pair of colored false eyelashes, but you can kind of DIY this by taking any regular pair of false eyelashes and coloring them with colorful mascara or eyeliner to achieve a very similar look. You're going to want to start with a base. I like using one that's close to my skin tone. You can also use one that's a little bit lighter, which sometimes helps bright colors pop a bit more. I've got mixing medium and eyeshadow on this eyeliner brush, and then I'm just gonna line my eyes like usual. You can do a cat eye shape. I have not used a brush to apply eyeliner in a very long time, and I feel like it shows. Now that I've got this about the way that I want it, I kind of blended purple and pink because there's purple and pink in my lashes. I am going to use a purple mascara. It's not exactly the same color, but I think it's going to help my lashes blend a little bit with the liner. I like to use lash tweezers to hold my lashes while I apply them and help press them down more firmly into my lash line. Now we've got the second lash on, and we just need to wait for the adhesive to finish drying. And there we have it. It's colorful liner with matching lashes. Would you wear this out? I feel like I actually might. I think I like it better now that I have it on than I thought I would. My second look is going to be a bleached brow. I was actually going to bleach my brows for this, and then I chickened out. So I'm doing the next best thing, which is using this bleached brow pomade and a disposable spoolie. Just get some of the product on the spoolie. Oh wow. I've never tried this before. This is a first for me. I'm not sure that this spoolie is as precise as I would like, but it does the job. Just use a brush to clean up any extra. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Now I'm going to use a small brush to sort of give the appearance of hairs. So this doesn't look exactly like bleached brows look. I have had them before in the past for a modeling job that I did, and it does look sort of like the way bleached brows look when they begin to grow out. I don't think I love it. I probably would not want to wear this outside of my house. Would you wear it? Now that my brows are back to normal, or at least I think they're back to normal, I'd kind of forgotten what it looked like to have brows. I'm going to show you the third thing today that I probably would not try if I was not staying at home. And that is going to be a face tattoo. Now, these are temporary, just like the bleached brows. I am not willing to make that commitment. I'm going to be using these little Botanical temporary tattoos. Just cut it out, peel off the little plastic bit. Stick it where you want it. I'm thinking right here. Like if I was a SoundCloud rapper. Then take a damp washcloth, which I had ready to go right here, and just press it on there for a minute. I think it's pretty cute. What do we think? Is it me? I think this one's actually my favorite. I was thinking of doing more, but I actually like just this one, and I think I'm gonna keep it on for the rest of the day. Let me know in the comments below which look was your favorite, and if there's any of these that you think you might try. Don't forget to subscribe to IPSY's YouTube channel to see more cool videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!